Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another pre-market analysis video brought to you by Coinlearnity. Now, as usual, we are going to be looking at the dollar index. Now, looking at the dollar index, you can clearly see that on the daily time frame, which is a higher time frame, we are now in a bearish market trend. Now, why do I say this? Because as you can see here, we are clearly making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, right? Now, if you look closely at this price action here, you can see that we have a fair value gap right about here. Yeah, so this area is where we have a fair value gap. So my expectation for the coming week is for price to what? To make a retracement into this fair value gap before pushing lower. Because as you all know, I always trade with the trend. So I do not go against the trend. And right now, the trend over here is bearish. So if this is what you're going to be expecting for the coming week, where are our targets? So previously we took out these targets. So probably the next target is going to be these equal lows right about this area here. Now, with that in mind, let's transition to Euro USD. We are going to see the opposite of our analysis here on the Euro USD. Now, let me delete this first of all. So, on the Euro USD, you can clearly see that we are also bullish. So, we have a bearish dollar index, then we have a bullish Euro USD. So, when the dollar index is bearish, we expect Euro USD to be bullish. And when the dollar index is bullish, we expect Euro USD to be bearish. So in this case, dollar index is bearish, so Euro USD will be bullish. Now, if you look here also, you can see that we also have a price action similar to what we just saw on the dollar index. We have this fair value gap here also. Let me mark that out. So from this is the fair value gap. Now, my expectation for the coming week is the same thing. It's just the opposite for price to retrace into this point of interest before pushing higher. So, if that's the case, here are the targets. So, the target for this trade is going to be this. Previously, we took out this high here. So, we are going to be going for this other equal highs over here. Now, if you go down to the 4 hour time frame, let's see how that is going to be like. So, on the 4 hour time frame, uh, we might see a break of market structure on this bullish trend on the 4 hour time frame. So let's push this away. Let's move this drawing to the other side. Sorry, I need to move it from here. So what we're going to be expecting on this 4 hour time frame is probably we're going to be seeing the break of market structure or shift of market structure to retrace into this point of interest. And once you get here, we then shift market structure or break market structure again and start pushing higher to resume the overall daily trend. So, guys, that's my expectation for the coming week on this currency pair. Remember to always practice good risk management on your accounts if you're going to be taking any of these trades. So, next time, I'll see you in the next video.